In the heart of a state-of-the-art factory, the process of making Hellmann's real mayonnaise begins. First, fresh eggs are carefully cracked open by high-tech machinery. Precision is key here as each egg yolk is gently separated, ensuring the perfect consistency. The eggs are combined with large quantities of oil, and the first key ingredients begin their journey together. A seamless flow of vinegar and water is measured and dispensed automatically, adding the tang that's essential to mayo's distinct flavor. The dry ingredients, sugar, salt, are then carefully added into the mix, creating a base that will soon transform into the creamy mayo we know and love. Once all the ingredients are in place, the mixing process begins. Inside massive industrial vats, high-shear blenders start their work, quickly and thoroughly blending everything together. The oil, vinegar, and other components blend in harmony as automated systems continuously measure and adjust the flow to ensure the perfect consistency. The thickening liquid begins to show its first signs of transformation as the mixture starts to thicken, setting the stage for the crucial emulsification process that's about to take place. It's here that the magic of Hellmann's begins to take shape. This is where the real transformation happens. The addition of egg yolks is critical. Acting as the emulsifier, it brings the mixture together, creating the signature creamy texture that Hellmann's is known for. High-pressure pumps push the mixture through narrow pipes, breaking down the oil droplets and ensuring smoothness. As the emulsion continues, the color of the mixture changes from a translucent yellow to a rich, creamy white. Technicians monitor the process closely, checking viscosity and temperature to maintain perfect quality.
Adjusting speed for smoother mix.
Pressure stable. Emulsion looks good. Viscosity optimal. Initiating transfer.
Flows toward the bottling line, ready to be packaged. Now that the mayonnaise is perfectly emulsified, it's time for bottling. Thousands of empty jars move swiftly along the conveyor belt, reaching the automated air cleaning station where they're sterilized before being filled. The mayo is dispensed into each jar with precision, ensuring the perfect amount every time. Lids.
The secret to mayonnaise is emulsification. At the filling station, multi-head nozzles dispense Hellmann's with mechanical precision.
And induction seals are applied, locking in freshness. The jars then move to the labeling station where the iconic Hellmann's blue ribbon label is applied, creating the signature look. Before Hellmann's real mayonnaise is deemed ready for the market, it undergoes rigorous quality control testing. Technicians continuously monitor the final batch for consistency, checking the viscosity and temperature of the mayo. Automated systems scan the jars for defects, and barcode scanners ensure each product meets the necessary standards. Only when the batch passes all tests is it released for shipping. This ensures that every jar of Hellmann's on the shelf is of the highest quality, ready to deliver the perfect taste to its consumers. The jars are packed into boxes, ready to be shipped to stores all over the world. Once the jars are packed, the next step is palletizing. Automated machines work swiftly, stacking boxes onto pallets, ready for shipment. The pallets are securely wrapped in plastic to ensure the contents are protected during transport. The finished pallets are then moved by forklifts to the loading dock, where they will be shipped to distribution centers. The entire process is meticulously organized to ensure the product is handled with care, from factory floor to the retailer's shelves. With the product ready for shipment, it's now time to distribute Hellmann's real mayonnaise to the world. Trucks and cargo planes are loaded with pallets of freshly packaged mayo.
From factories to the world, Hellmann's mayonnaise is loaded onto trucks and
The products are transported to global distribution centers.
Unloading Hellmann's pallets for global distribution.
These go to local delivery now.
Hellmann's reaches grocery store shelves across continents, ensuring the quality and freshness of the mayo remain intact. Logistics teams track every shipment, ensuring the product arrives safely and on time, making its way into homes worldwide, ready to enhance meals everywhere.